Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hangar app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hangar is an automatic flight logging app built for general aviation pilots. It uses GPS to detect and record flights without manual input, making it easier for pilots to track their flying activity. The app also helps organize aircraft profiles, generate flight statistics, and export logs for insurance, tax, or maintenance purposes. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users love how the app quietly logs flights in the background and syncs data across devices. The timeline and map views are intuitive, showing detailed routes and stats. It's especially helpful for private pilots who want a digital logbook without too much complexity. That said, the app isn't perfect. Some users mention missed flights if GPS isn't strong at takeoff or landing. Others say the analytics are a bit limited unless you go for the premium version. Also, features like custom tags or detailed weather overlays are currently missing. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Hangar is a solid choice for pilots looking for a hands-off way to log their flights. It's simple, useful, and mostly accurate. However, if you need advanced reporting or fly in areas with spotty GPS, keep that in mind before relying on it fully. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.